Myself is Tika Reddy from Aero B section. Subject given for me for English, the topic is importance of communication skills in professional life, and now I'm gonna do concept video. Importance of communication skills in professional life. The diagram shows us how important communication of English is important in a professional life. Learn to listen. This is advice given in theater and improvisation classes. If we expect you to react properly to what is said to you, then you have to give it the correct attention. The hard part is to be able to do both, focus on both listening and preparing your answers. If you don't want to forget an idea you just thought about when listening, you can ask for a momentum, write it down quickly and focus back on your interlocutor. It can only lead to a healthier discussion. Don't wait for opportunity, create the opportunity. Avoid relying on visual aids. Steve Jobs instituted a rule at Apple that banned all PowerPoint presentations. Similarly, Sheryl Sandberg instituted a PowerPoint ban at Facebook. Both leaders realized that PowerPoint presentation can hinder rather than help communication. Be prepared to use words, compelling storytelling, and non-verbal cues to communicate your point with the audience. Avoid using visual aids unless absolutely necessary. They may forget your name, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Accept the fear. Do you fear to speak in public and do presentations? Who doesn't? Instead of thinking of as an unpleasant chore, try to consider it an opportunity to engage with people and share your knowledge. Anyway, focusing on your fears that can only make them worse. Focus instead on what you have to say and how important it is for your audience to know about it, how it can help them in the daily life program. Success isn't about how much money you make, it's about the difference you made in people's life. In communication, when you talk about the word communication, the word itself rings bell in every profession. It means to share. Communication is the act of conveying meanings from one entity of group through the use of mutually understood signs and semiotics rules. Human communication is unique for its extensive use of abstract language. Development of civilization has been closely linked with progress in telecommunication. In every individual's professional or business life, person deals with two types of communication, i.e. verbal or non-verbal written communication. In the present era, when we do face challenges in workplace or business, we have to be efficient enough to tackle the issue. Mostly, we face challenges due to lack of good communications. Don't write, just talk. You probably can resolve issues within discussion, but how much time you have wasted? Muster your courage, pick up your phone or get up and talk to people. Surely you really don't want to disturb programmers every other 5 minutes. If the issue at hand is not really urgent, you can still write a note so you forget your ideas. Keep your face always towards the sun and sunshine, and shadow will fall behind you. Communication is the soul of everything you do in the organization results from communication. So good reading, speaking, listening and writing skills are necessary. It targets as you advise your course. You will find numerous reasons why communication skills are important to you. For example, to clear interview, you need good communication skills so that your application letter is ready and upon reading some action is taken. To get the desired job, you need to have efficient communication skills. Thank you.